Alright, so hey guys, went ahead and ordered a few guns from was it Classic Guns, ClassicFirearms.com, and I went ahead and ordered one of their, I think it's a VKT uh, Finnish Mosin. So this is what it ended up coming to me like. Now these were Mosins with they're Mosins with cracks in them, cracks in the stock. I paid the extra, I think 20 bucks to get the good condition. So basically the damage, got kind of a scuff there, pretty decent crack there. I mean, it's not horrible, definitely fixable. Now this here is a little bit worse. This crack goes the whole length of this, and it's actually kind of split the whole way. I mean, with the right clamping, I should be able to put it back together. And it's also split. It looks like it kind of has the same thing going on up here. It's got a split going basically the whole way. So I mean, the stock is not in good condition. I mean, that was what happens when you buy it, you know, with the cracked stock, obviously. So otherwise, I mean, it looks real good. Not the best bluing on it, as to be expected. It looks like it has a little bit of residue of cosmoline. Everything else on it looks really good. So, and it is clear. Chamber's clear. Put the bolt down. So, I just want to go ahead and get a nice before, and then I'm going to go ahead and slowly fix up and clean this stock. So this will be a pretty fun project. I'm actually looking very forward to it. So there we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and do a teardown. This will probably be sped up, so have fun. All these screws are super loose too, so everything's coming apart real nice and easy. Nothing's real stuck. Oh, maybe I spoke too soon. This one isn't bad. Alright. Take the plug off. Alright, so this should come out. So, looks really nice. I don't see any rust at all. Can't argue with that. I guess you probably should have taken the bolt out first, but anyways. So, that is some nasty, slimy stuff. There's the magazine. Again, no rust. A little bit of cosmoline. Looks like there's There is actually sand in there. That is sand. That's crazy. Alright, cool. So, not much else going on here. We got the recoil lug. Looks like there's another split up here, which isn't bad. Easily fixable. So far, not too shabby. Alright, a little bit of rust there on the sling lug. Not a surprise. I guess I didn't mention that this is a little bit rusty. It's got some pitting. A little bit of pitting going on. Not too bad. It'll clean up. Alright, little tiny bit of rust. Screws look pretty good. Still got all their bluing. Need a skinnier bit. Oh, maybe not. Yes, no, maybe so. Yeah, I need a skinnier bit for that one. Okay. What bit's that? There, I'll grab a bit. Alright. Let's see. Oh, I got one around here somewhere. Alright. Just a little bit of sand. Looks like more. There it is. I'm not going to worry much about this. But, so. This looks like it's not hanging on by much. Not sure what's holding this in place. I'll show you. It's got a crack in it, it looks like. I'm not too sure how they put these together. I don't really want to break it, but there's a lot of stuff in there that I need to get. There's a lot of crud in there. So I mean, this is going to have to come off some way or another. I'm not sure. I'll have to look it up. Other than that, there's your teardown. There's not much going on there. A little bit of dirt, some more sand, a little bit of rubbed off wood. Once I get this scrubbed off and cleaned, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue that. And I need to glue this crack here. And then I'm going to re-glue this back down. And I went ahead and I actually got a care package from Brownells today. Got some natural gun finish here, some other gun finish. I got my whiting. This is what's going to get all that oil, cosmoline, grime. And then I have my rubbing compound for after I get done staining it. I've got some hot stuff, instant glue for the smaller cracks. And I got some Gorilla Glue, some wood glue for the larger cracks. Got myself some small wood vices, lots of sandpaper. And then I got some lemon oil too. Clean it up real good. This will be the first clean. So that'll be all for today. Thanks.